The 5th-gen Subaru Forester that's currently on sale is 5 years old. A fully redesigned model to replace it is reportedly under development, scheduled to arrive in late 2024. Here's everything we know about the next-gen Forester. The all-new Forester should feature a bolder exterior. Expect more sophisticated headlights, a more aggressive grille, sharper bumpers, and more sculpted door panels. The redesigned compact SUV will likely look more expressive and well-executed than the outgoing model, as depicted here in our exclusive rendering. The next-gen Forester is likely to have a more contemporary interior with a cleaner design, a more driver-focused cockpit, more advanced electronics, and higher-grade materials. It may feature a 12.3-inch virtual instrument cluster with 3 layouts: normal, map, and eyesight. An 11.6-inch high-definition portrait touchscreen infotainment system should also be among the new tech features. Expect new smartphone charging ports with USB Type-C input for both front and rear occupants as well. One of the highlights of the next-gen Forester will likely be a Toyota hybrid system, possibly the same powertrain as the next-gen RAV4 Hybrid. The new hybrid system should be more powerful and efficient than the in-house powertrain of the current Forester Hybrid that's offered globally. Thus, the next-gen Forester Hybrid will likely make a compelling case for US launch. In addition to Toyota's RAV4 Hybrid, the next-gen Forester Hybrid should compete with the electrified variants of compact SUVs like the Honda CR-V, Hyundai Tucson, and Kia Sportage. Its prices may start at just under $30,000, which would make it cheaper than the RAV4 Hybrid. Subscribe to our channel for all the latest news on hybrid and pure electric vehicles.